What's up, everybody? This is Tech G back with another video. And in this video, we're going to be explaining real world applications of artificial intelligence. So let's get into it. You've probably heard the phrase AI is everywhere more times than you can count. But what does that really mean? Are we just talking about robots and sci fi stuff, or is artificial intelligence actually impacting your everyday life? Well, here's a spoiler alert: it's actually doing it. From helping doctors diagnose diseases faster to making sure your Netflix suggestions are scarily accurate, AI is working behind the scenes across almost every industry, and it's only getting started. So in this video, we're going to take a guided tour through four major industries where AI is making waves: healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment. And by the end, you'll be able to recognize how AI is already transforming the world around you and why it's one of the most powerful technologies of our time. All right, so let's kick things off with an industry where AI can literally save lives, and that's healthcare. So let's talk about diagnosing diseases. AI is helping doctors detect diseases earlier and more accurately than ever before. When it comes to medical imaging, AI algorithms, they can scan X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans to detect abnormalities like tumors, fractures, or infections, often spotting things human eyes might miss. An example of this will be Google's DeepMind, where they developed an AI that can identify over 50 eye diseases from retina scans. Then there's cancer detection. AI can analyze mammograms or biopsies and flag early signs of breast cancer or skin cancer. And studies show that in some cases, AI can outperform radiologists in accuracy. Then there's predictive analytics. So imagine knowing someone is at a high risk of a heart attack before it happens. AI can make that possible. Predictive models, they analyze patient history, genetics, lifestyle factors, and even wearable data to identify risks. In hospitals, they use these models to prevent complications, reduce readmissions, and deliver more proactive care. Another use case is virtual health assistants and chatbots. So healthcare AI isn't just for doctors, it's helping patients as well. Chatbots, they can answer basic medical questions, schedule appointments, or remind patients to take their medications. Virtual assistants like Babylon Health or Ada, they use AI to offer symptom checks and medical advice. So they're not replacing doctors, but they're making healthcare more accessible and less overwhelming. And then there's drug discovery and development. So finding new medicines is expensive and time consuming, and AI is flipping the script. AI can analyze massive data sets to predict which compounds might work against certain diseases, and it's also speeding up clinical trials by identifying suitable patient groups and potential side effects. And during the COVID-19 pandemic, AI helped researchers quickly model virus proteins and identify potential drug targets, and that was considered game changing. Now let's talk dollars and cents. The finance world has embraced AI in a big way, and it's reshaping how we bank, invest, and fight fraud. And speaking of fraud detection, AI, this is like a digital watchdog, keeping an eye out for suspicious behavior. Machine learning algorithms, they can analyze millions of transactions in real time to spot patterns and detect fraud. So if something looks off, like a huge withdrawal in a foreign country, AI can freeze the transaction and alert the user instantly. So there's no more waiting days to find out your credit card was compromised. Then there's personalized banking. So banks are using AI to deliver smarter, more personalized services. You have chatbots like Bank of America's Erica or Capital One's Eno, where they can check your balance, track spending, and answer questions 24/7. Also, AI-powered financial advisors, which are also called robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront, they help you invest based on your goals and risk tolerance, so there is no human advisor that is required. Then there's credit scoring and loan approvals. So traditionally, lenders, they use credit scores and income reports to decide who qualifies for a loan. But that system can be unfair or incomplete. AI models, they can look at alternative data like utility payments, education level, or even your online behavior to create a more accurate financial profile. And this can help underbanked populations get access to credit. And then there's stock market predictions and trading. So Wall Street has gone high tech. Hedge funds and investment firms, they use AI to analyze market data, news reports, and even social media sentiment to predict stock movements. And algorithmic trading bots, they can execute millions of trades in milliseconds, reacting faster than any human could. So essentially, just don't expect to beat them at their own game. All right, next let's talk about AI being used in transportation. So transportation isn't just about planes, trains, and automobiles anymore. It's about smart systems that move people and goods more efficiently, and AI is driving the shift. So the first one is autonomous vehicles. And this is the poster child of AI in transportation. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise, they are using AI-powered sensors and cameras to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and follow traffic laws. And AI processes data from LiDAR, GPS, radar, and cameras in real time to make driving decisions. Now, we're not at full autonomy just yet, but we are getting closer. In many cars, they already include lane keeping assistance, automatic braking, and adaptive cruise control. And then we have traffic management in smart cities. So if you ever sat in traffic and thought to yourself that there has to be a better way, well, guess what? AI agrees with you. Traffic lights and control systems in smart cities, they can adjust based on real-time traffic flow. And predictive analytics, they can help city planners understand traffic patterns and optimize road designs or construction schedules. Next, there's public transportation optimization. So AI, it helps buses, trains, and subways run more efficiently by predicting delays, managing fleet schedules, and providing real-time updates to passengers. Apps like Transit or Move It, they use AI to give commuters the fastest routes and alert them about service changes. And then there's logistics and delivery. So from Amazon packages to global supply chains, AI is streamlining delivery. AI-powered route optimization tools, they help drivers avoid traffic and reduce delivery times. Robotics and drones, they're being used in warehouses and even last-mile deliveries. And companies like UPS, FedEx, and DHL, all of them use AI to manage logistics at scale, which saves money and reduces emissions. All right, so now for the fun stuff. You've probably interacted with AI and entertainment every single day without even realizing it. And one of the ways is through personalized recommendations. So let's be honest. How often do you scroll through Netflix, Spotify, or YouTube without even thinking? That's the magic of AI if you're doing that. Because recommendation engines, they use AI to analyze your watch listen history, your likes, and your behavior. And based on that data, they suggest what to play next, and they get eerily good at it. And this isn't just convenience, this keeps users engaged much longer, which is gold for streaming platforms. Then there's content creation and curation. So yes, AI is getting creative as well. AI tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Runway, they can generate art, music, and even video from text prompts. And platforms that use AI to automatically tag, categorize, and edit content, which saves creators tons of time. In sports broadcasting, for example, AI can instantly identify highlight-worthy moments and generate clips in real time. Then there's video games. So AI has been a part of gaming for years, but now it's leveling up. Procedural generation, this uses AI to create endless maps or challenges. So think of Minecraft or No Man's Sky. Game AI, it can adapt to your playing style, making opponents smarter and gameplay more immersive. And tools like Unity, ML agents, they let developers train AI to learn game strategies over time. Then there's deepfakes and virtual influencers. So this is when we get to the weird and wild side of entertainment. So deepfake technology, this uses AI to manipulate video and audio, creating realistic fake videos of people saying or doing something they never did. And while this raises ethical concerns, it's also used in film production for dubbing, stunt doubles, and historical recreations. And then we have virtual influencers like Lil Miquela, and these are AI-generated personas with millions of followers on Instagram. But as exciting as all of that might sound, they do blur the line between real and digital celebrity. All right, so let's not forget that AI is also reshaping other industries such as education, where personalized learning tools like Khan's Academy AI Tutor is implemented. You have AI chatbots for student support, and you have grading automation and plagiarism detection tools. It's also being used in agriculture, where AI drones, they can monitor crop health, they can automate irrigation systems, and they can use predictive analytics for weather and yield forecasting. You'll definitely find it being used in manufacturing with AI-powered robots on factory floors, predictive maintenance for equipment, and quality control through computer vision. It's also in retail, where you have AI chatbots and virtual assistants that can help you shop, inventory management and demand forecasting, and visual search, where you can say something like, show me shoes that look like this, and the image will pop up showing you shoes that look like that. Now, let's talk about some challenges and considerations. So, AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. With great tech comes great responsibility. So, here are a few challenges that we need to watch out for. The first is privacy concerns. So, AI, this relies on a lot of data. And that raises questions about how personal data is collected, who owns it, and how it's being used or misused. Then there's bias and fairness. AI systems, they can inherit biases from the data that they've been trained on, and this can lead to discriminatory load decisions, inaccurate medical diagnosis, and biased hiring algorithms. And then there's the big one everybody's concerned about, and that is job displacement. So AI is automating tasks that used to require human labor. That's efficient, but it also puts certain jobs at risk. At the same time, it's creating new roles in AI development, ethics, and data science. Now, to wrap all this up, from hospitals to Hollywood, AI is already woven into the fabric of modern life. It's not just a buzzword or a distant dream. It's here and it's doing everything from fighting fraud to creating digital pop stars. So, the key takeaway: AI isn't replacing us, it's transforming how we live, work, and create. And by understanding how AI is used across different industries, you're not just becoming a better student of AI, you're preparing to be a part of its next big leap. And that's what this AI Fundamentals course is all about. Not just understanding the technology, but recognizing its real world impact. All right, so let's do some check on learning to see if you've been paying attention. So, the first question is, which of the following is a real world application of AI in the healthcare industry? Is it AI chatbots designing hospital blueprints? Is it machine learning algorithms predicting patient diagnoses? Is it AI creating workout plans for celebrities? Or is it virtual reality replacing physical surgery? And of course, the correct answer is machine learning algorithms predicting patient diagnoses. So in healthcare, AI is used for diagnostic purposes by analyzing large sets of patient data. Machine learning algorithms, they can detect patterns in lab results, medical images, and symptoms to assist doctors in diagnosing conditions like cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Next question. How is AI most commonly used in the finance industry? Is it replacing human CEOs with AI agents? Is it powering voice assistants in ATMs? Is it detecting fraudulent transactions through pattern recognition? Or is it creating new cryptocurrencies automatically? And the correct answer is it is detecting fraudulent transactions through pattern recognition. So AI is widely used in finance to monitor transactions in real time and identify suspicious patterns that may indicate fraud. And these systems learn from past fraud cases and become better at spotting anomalies over time. And our final question: what is one of the ways AI is used in the entertainment industry? Is it writing government policies? Is it generating personalized content recommendations on streaming platforms? Is it designing movie theater seating arrangements? Or is it replacing all actors with robots? And the correct answer is it is generating personalized content recommendations on streaming platforms. So streaming services like Netflix and Spotify, they use AI to analyze user preferences and behavior. Based on this data, AI generates personalized recommendations, enhancing user engagement and satisfaction.